Hey guys, real quick before the video starts, I just wanted to say if you want to get added to a list where I send you things like motivational messages, tips and tricks, and just things like that, then you can actually text me at this number that's on the screen right now. I don't know where I'm going to place it, but it's somewhere on the screen. It's not a joke. I actually do text people back like every single day. I'll usually also send out some sort of like motivation or advice every single morning, just like kind of start your day off right. So if that interests you at all, or if you want, then please do text this number. I think it's an awesome way to like talk with more of you and just kind of like stay in touch if that makes sense. But anyways, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video on the channel. So in my Discord server, I've seen a few people recently talking about how they want to make like more upgrades to their setup, like things like maybe getting a new microphone, new keyboard, new mouse, new computer, new whatever, right? And they say things like that, but they also end it with like, I can't really afford it right now and things like that. I think this is kind of just something that every YouTuber or streamer has to go through at some point, right? Like you want to make upgrades to your setup, but you just can't really afford it right now. It's a pretty normal thing. So today I'm going to be talking about some ways that you can actually make some money on YouTube. I don't know, what was I doing right here? I don't know, but just like ways that you can make some money on YouTube without like as a small channel without like being monetized. So if you guys like the video and you guys want to see more videos like this, then I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit that like button some below the video, wherever it is, and maybe even subscribe if you're feeling generous. Also, the comment question for this video is, what is the next upgrade that you want to make for your setup? Like, is it a new microphone, new camera, new mouse, new keyboard, whatever it is? Comment it down in the comment section below. I'm going to be reading all of them. But anyways, let's get started. All right, so one of the best ways that you can make money as, what am I doing, man? Okay, so one of the best ways that you can make money as a small channel without like being monetized is through affiliate marketing. And if you're like, Moz, I don't even know what affiliate marketing is, well, don't worry, because I'm about to tell you. So I think it better be explained through like an example. So affiliate marketing is usually when you tell your viewers, or like if a YouTuber you watch has ever told you like, hey, if you want to buy this thing, please use my discount code and you will save some money on your order. That's affiliate marketing. Or if they're ever like, buy this using the link in the description below, that's usually affiliate marketing as well. So basically what happens there is that the viewer that they're like talking to is gonna save some money on like the thing that they bought, but then the person who's telling them to like, you know, use their code, they will get some money out of that deal as well by just promoting the product and telling them to use their code. It's that straightforward. An example of this is kind of like, I got some like watermelon G Fuel right here, right? So I'll focus in on that really quick. So whenever I tell you guys like use code Moz if you want to save some money on G Fuel, that's affiliate marketing. Or like if any of your YouTuber like favorite YouTubers are ever like, hey, use code whatever to save money on whatever they're promoting, right? Like that's also affiliate marketing. So there are so many forms of affiliate marketing available all across YouTube, all across like TikTok and literally everything. Honestly, just for, I don't know what I'm saying, but just for an example, and I'll find a random YouTuber. It's gonna be completely random, and I'm almost positive they will have something in their description that's affiliate marketing. So let's check it out really quick. I'll change over to my web browser and we'll jump into it. All right, so the first YouTuber that I clicked is gonna be Noisy Butters. Have absolutely no idea if they're gonna have affiliate marketing in their description. I do watch her videos sometimes, so I'm gonna assume that she does. So let's quickly scroll down, a little show more action. Yeah, literally right away. So we see some G Fuel affiliate marketing right here. Use code Butters. Perfect example of like very subtle affiliate marketing, and she is a G Fuel partner. So use her code or my code. Yeah, I'm sure both of us would appreciate it. She also has some affiliate marketing right here with SteelSeries, right? So she says the headset that she uses, and she says use code Butters for 12% off. So when her viewers use that code, they're probably gonna save some money. I don't know how SteelSeries works, but if I had to like take a guess, she will probably make some money off of it as well because she's promoting the product for SteelSeries. So it's kind of like a win for SteelSeries, it's a win for her, and it's also a win for her like viewer because they save some money on the order as well. Same thing works for the Asus Republic of Gamers thing right here as well. Easy example of affiliate marketing. And one thing that I really like that she said right here is I use the SteelSeries. I'm not sure how you pronounce this, but she specifically said what headset she uses. So I think that's a great way to do affiliate marketing because your viewers are going to want to buy the products you promote only if you really speak highly of them. So what I recommend you do is only promote the products that you genuinely like, the ones that you genuinely use, and things like that. So like that's why I promote G Fuel, right? Like I actually drink it pretty often and I like it. So it's kind of like a win-win, right? So that's my tip right there for affiliate marketing. And this like next tip kind of like expands off of it, but please only try working with companies that you think your audience would be interested in. So if you make gaming videos, then try doing affiliate marketing with gaming companies like Scuff Gaming, G Fuel, things like that, right? If you make tech videos, then do it with those kind of companies. And if you, because like the thing is, if you try promoting something that your viewers literally don't care about, like let's say you're like a gaming channel, but then you make a affiliate marketing like ad on like a hair straightener or something that like maybe a beauty channel would do something on, your viewers are gonna be like, what the heck is this, right? Like, it won't make sense. Like, there's no brand alignment there. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, make sure that you're promoting products that your viewers would actually care about. To actually, like, you know, get to the point of how do you even do affiliate marketing, you're gonna need to sign up for an affiliate program. So find a company that you want to work with and see if they have any sort of affiliate program already available. Usually it will be somewhere on their website, and a lot of websites do have this, and not many people know this. So also, if you can't find it, just email them using their like contact us link and say, hey, I'm really interested in doing some affiliate marketing for you guys, and they might reply and help you set it up, and then you can work with them like on a personal level, and maybe you can like even expand to something bigger than that eventually, and like they'll send you free products and things like that. Like, the ideas and like opportunities are honestly endless depending on like how well you do through affiliate marketing, if that makes sense. Anyways, on to the next tip. Yo, I really gotta stop recording my videos at like 2 in the morning. I don't know why I do it all the time, but like, I need to stop. Anyway, the next thing is sell any sort of skill set that you have. Like, if you have any sort of skill set, find a way that you can monetize it in whatever way. Like, let's say for example, you're a really good gaming YouTuber, right? Like, you are amazing at the games you play. You're killing it at Mario Kart, you're amazing at Warzone, you're good at Fortnite, whatever, right? Like, whatever you play, you're good at it. And like, people, like, let's say they dream about being as good as you, like, you know you're goated. So what you could do is like sell coaching lessons on sites like Fiverr. I promise you, people literally go and buy those. Like, people go and buy personal like one-on-one sessions with people on the website Fiverr to get better at like games like Fortnite, Call of Duty, and so much more. Like, that's an actual thing. And it's not just gaming. Like, if you're good at video editing, you can put that up on Fiverr as well. Like, you can either give personal lessons on how to edit better, or you can maybe even edit for the person buying from you in general. Like, you can literally just be like, hey, if you pay me this much, I'll literally edit your video for you. Like, it's that straightforward, right? And you might be like, Muaaz, like, on the real, I have no idea what my skill is. Well, in that case, I just want to tell you, I promise you, there's at least one thing that you're good at that other people are not good at. And this could be graphic design. It could be how to commentate better. It could be, I don't know why I can't think right now. It could be like photography. It could be videography. It could be editing. I already talked about that. It could be a bunch of things. Like, it can even go to the point of like, let's say like you go to the gym and like you know everything about weightlifting and things like that. People will probably ask you for advice on how they can lose weight, and you can put that up on the website and be like, hey, yo, you want to get fit? I got you. Like, you can do something like that. Why is my camera out of focus? I think my mic's too close. But yeah, like, if you have a skill set, find a way to monetize it. I promise you, you can, and I promise you that you're good at something that someone else might not be good at. And you don't have to be the best either. Like, you can be a average graphic designer, but average to you might be amazing to someone else. Like, what you think is average or bad might be like, how'd you do that to some other person, right? Like, so it's something to think about. Find a way that you can monetize your skills. That's basically what I'm trying to say. All right, so we're gonna run it up with the next one, and that is start streaming. Small streamers with a strong community do make a very good amount of money through donations, so it's honestly something to consider. Like, you can set up a Streamlabs donation link. It's literally free and it takes only a couple of clicks, and put that in like your description when you go live, or like maybe put that in like on your panels, like if you stream on a different website. I don't know, I'm moving my mic even closer to me, but yeah, like, that's something you can do. And like, if as you keep growing as a streamer, like, you're bound to just make more money that way anyway. So I don't know. And you can also just reach out to some companies and they'll pay you to put their logo on your stream, like on the corner. Like, companies will literally pay you to like put a logo right here. Or like, if you ever watch some of your favorite YouTubers, like I think Pokimane does this, Valkyrie does this, Ninja did this, so many people do this. Like, they'll put like a random company's logo like somewhere on their stream, and it'll like alternate through different logos, and like they're like, that's like paid promotion right there. So like, something you can do is like, you continue to grow your stream is like reach out to companies and be like, hey, yo, you want your logo on my stream? This is what you gotta do. Like, it's something you can do, so consider it. Bro, how long is this video gonna be? The recording is 24 minutes long. I know I took some breaks here and there. I was on my phone. Again, text me at this number, wherever it is on the screen. I promise you, I'd be texting people back like every day, like multiple people. So lob it up. But anyways, I don't know how this recording is 24 minutes, but anyway, let's jump into the next one. I have so much content that could be make for like some good behind the scenes, like bloopers and stuff like that. I don't know. But anyways, talking about behind the scenes content, and another thing that you can do to like make some money as a YouTuber that's not monetized or something like that is using a site like Patreon. A lot of YouTubers do these, even ones that are already making money off of YouTube. And if you don't know what Patreon is, it's kind of like a cool place where people can donate to you or like pay you a specific amount of money every single month, and it will kind of like become recurring revenue for you. And what you do in return is offer them like perks that will kind of like make it worth their while. So something that you can offer them if they join as a Patreon for you is like behind the scenes content, bloopers, early access to videos before they're actually public to everyone else, a link to like playlists that you like to listen to in terms of like music and stuff like that. If you guys want to listen to like the playlist that I like to listen to, I'll have it somewhere on the screen. Just search this up on Spotify and you can follow my playlist. I have like 300 some songs in there, I think. I don't know, it's a decent amount. I listen to music. You guys should listen to my music if you want to. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, on to the next thing though. What was I talking about? Music? Okay, yeah. So another thing you can do is like personal Discord servers. Like a lot of people who use Patreon make a Discord server that only their Patreons can join and then actually talk with them in, play games with them in, and things like that. So as long as you like give your viewers a reason to actually want to like support you monetarily through something like Patreon, it's a great way to like make some extra money if you're someone who's not monetized or anything like that yet. But like I said before, the main thing that you want is for your viewer, when they hear about your Patreon, to be like, oh, this actually sounds pretty cool, it has some cool features, I might want to check it out. And another cool thing that would come from it is that I'd be supporting one of my favorite creators. So make sure that if you make a Patreon, it's worth the viewer's while to actually support you through it. Yeah, so that's that. And I mean, what most people do with like these is like they'll link it in their description. They'll maybe mention it before their video ends, or maybe somewhere in the middle of their video, just like tell their viewers like, hey, if you want to support me this way, or if you want to get some extra like content from me, behind the scenes content, whatever, check out my Patreon. Like that's what a lot of people say, and it's a great way to like, you know, make some more money on the side. Anyways, moving on to the next one, we have merch. If you don't know, merch is actually what most big YouTubers make most of their money from. It's not their ad revenue, it's not sponsors and things like that. Like for the majority of large creators on YouTube, like probably your favorite YouTuber, they make most of their money through merch. That's literally how it is for YouTubers, Twitch streamers, and all of the sorts. Is that even the right phrasing for it? I don't know. But I think you kind of understand what I'm trying to say. Like a lot of people make most of their money from merch. And also don't worry if you don't have the like the thing under your video that says like buy this t-shirt or this hoodie or whatever from that YouTuber that you're looking at. You don't need to have that to like sell merch on your channel or whatever. Like you can go ahead and set up a store by yourself and start selling merch. But yeah, also like I said before, if you guys do want to get added to a list where I send you like motivational messages, tips and tricks to grow more and things like that, just text the number on the screen. Like for real, what are you waiting for? Lob me a text. I'll do okay, I'm gonna do this. I have no idea if I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna try to respond to every single person who texts me on that number the day that this video goes live. I'm gonna do my best. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna do my best. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button below. I'd really appreciate that. And also subscribe if you guys are new and feeling generous. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.